I am so honoured to be one of the first photographers in the world to introduce to you the new GOAT of light stands, the MagMod MagStand. MagMod have done it. This stand is a game changer. It takes all the best features of other light stands and adds a lot more to make, in my opinion, the best light stand in the world, especially if you are a wedding photographer. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 reasons why I think you're going to want this stand, including its hidden superpower. Ooh! So, let's crack on. Firstly, I'd like to say how honoured I am to have been asked by MagMod to test out and give feedback on the MagStand. I've had the privilege of using the MagStand for a few months now, and I've taken them to all the weddings and shoots I've done in that time. So I've really put them through their paces, and honestly, these stands are amazing. So if you're playing light stand top trumps, this is the card you want. Now, full transparency, I am a MagMod ambassador, but I've been using MagMod products for years before I was an ambassador because I genuinely love their products. MagMod modifiers have been used on just about every off-camera flash photograph that I have taken for the past 10 years at least. Plus, if you need proof, I was using MagMod modifiers in my very first How I Shot It video, which was posted on YouTube in February 2018, 8 years ago now. Don't know where that time's gone. And that was long before I was asked to be an ambassador. So let's now get into the 5 reasons why I think this is the best light stand out there if you're a wedding photographer like me. There it is. Is this cheesy? So I'm going to start with my personal favourite feature. Helen's favourite feature is number 5, and I'm going to save that to the end because that is the hidden secret superpower, which honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, they've nailed it. That is genius. But we're going to save that till the end. But reason number 1, and my biggest favourite feature of the MagStand, they attach together. When MagMod asked me what I thought about their design, I said to them, it has to have one thing. They have to attach together, because if they don't, even though I love MagMod, I'm just not going to use it. Because if you are a wedding photographer, you will know what it's like to arrive at a venue, you're trying to get all your stuff out the car, the venue or the ceremony building is right over there, you've got your bag and you're trying to carry everything, and you can't carry 3 or maybe 4 light stands with you. So that's why the existing light stands that I use do attach together, and that's the sole reason that I use them. So I really wanted MagMod to add that feature, and they have done, and it works so well. This is all one take, remember, so if I don't get it right, you'd know. But yeah, and not only do they attach together, they're going nowhere. They are rock solid. So yeah, my personal favorite feature, because I'm lazy, I don't want to carry everything like that, they attach together. Will say as well, I'm going to talk a little bit later in the video about this, the MagStand comes in 2 sizes. We have the MagStand Pro 9. No, I don't even know if this is the right name, apologies, I'm making this before it's launched. The MagStand 9 Pro and the MagStand 11 Pro. But regardless of which one you have, or if you have a combination of the sizes, they still attach together. As you can see here, this is the 9, this is the 11, and they attach together like glue. Reason number 2 is one motion leg deployment. Don't really know what that means, but let me show you instead. So if I want to put the MagStand down over here, I will do so by, in fact let me show you, gripping these 2 buttons here, and it just goes down. But what happens if I'm at a very busy wedding venue, there's tables and chairs everywhere, I do this a lot. For example, I use off-camera flash to photograph speeches, and there's tables everywhere. And I think, oh, I want to move this. Do I go like this and hit people on the head? I've never done that before.
I have.
Yeah, this is Helen's filming, by the way, and if you know Helen, you know that will almost certainly be true.
I'm dangerous.
So no, we don't want to do that. Instead, I'm going to squeeze these 2 things again, pick up the stand, and boom!
Ooh.
And it's caught as well. It's not like I'm having to hold it. It's stuck like that, and I want to put the MagStand down over here. And there it is. It's down again. Pick her up. put it down. Can I just say, this is such an easy video to make. When MagMod invited me to make this video, I was like, please, yes. There is nothing better than making basically a video, let's be honest, trying to promote a product when you know it's brilliant. And that is the MagStand. So yeah, one motion leg deployment. That was reason number 2. Okay, reason number 3, just counting my fingers there, and this is a really big one. Again, for wedding photographers, but also for me actually, shooting in this space. So if you follow my channel, you'll know that I do a lot of shoots in the new Flashmasters HQ, as we are filming in here. But sadly, it's not a huge space, and I'm always using off-camera flash in here. And one of the problems that I've had is, when I put a light stand, say here, with the mag box on it, it does jut out a little bit from the wall, which really eats into the space that I've got, and as you can see, I don't have much. So the MagStand really helps to remedy that, because if I put this down at its maximum, this by the way is the MagStand Pro 9, so the smaller of the two. I will show you the second one in a second. You can see the legs go really wide. Very creative filming from Helen there. Yeah, the legs go very wide and it's rock solid. However, they also go very narrow. So I can, at any point, by the way, I can stop. Look at that. Like at any point on here, it's rock solid. But I can go very, so what I don't want to do is put the MagStand there, because I've got quite a big gap here. Instead, look at that. And you would think, oh, that's not going to be sturdy enough. In fact, I'm just going to cut to a video that Helen and I did with my friend Olga a few days ago, where we use this with the mag box on it in this exact space, and you can see it in action. So again, the legs go really narrow. So if you are, again, a wedding photographer, you're working in tight spaces, I promise you, this is a game changer. And again, they're narrow, but they're solid. It's very, very clever. Reason number 4 is just how easy it is to adjust the height of the MagStand. So again, let's put it down here actually, on our very nice pink carpet. And if I want to adjust the height, again, I squeeze in these 2 buttons here and it goes up. But not only that, it locks in at any of these heights. These little grooves here obviously lock in, so whatever height you want, it will lock in, and it's really, again, really, really solid. Sorry, Trevor.
So dodgy.
Ignore that. I can go easily as high as the ceiling with the 9. You see, that's the first 2 ones, and I've got another one to go, and we are literally hitting the ceiling now. But the point being, wherever it goes, it locks. I don't know if Trevor wants me doing this, but it's solid. It's not going anywhere. So again, you can very, very easily adjust the height. Down, up. Just looking at Helen's face. That was reason number 4.
That may be my favourite now.
Here it is, everyone, reason number 5, and it is the MagStand secret superpower.
And you got it upside down.
Oh. Here it is, everyone, reason number 5, and it is the MagStand secret superpower. It's Helen's favourite feature, and when I first saw the prototype for the MagStand, I just thought, they've nailed it. That's genius. So what is it? Well, first of all, let me explain a little bit about how Helen and I work on a wedding day, on a portrait shoot. If you are following us, you'll know that we take lots and lots of photographs, portraits with off-camera flash. And we like to do that using what I have seemingly termed impossible light. Basically where we have a light source in the photograph, usually the mag box, and then a second photograph where the mag box is not in the photograph, and we blend them together to create a composite image. And if you're interested in this technique, here is a video which I made for MagMod's YouTube channel in which I talk all about it, and that includes an editing tutorial. But the point is, to do that, as you can see in so many examples on my videos and all my behind the scenes content, we have the light source in the shot, and the mag box is usually, or almost always actually, on a pole. But the pole is separate. You can probably see where I'm going with this. So we have to have two things. We have a light stand over there, we have a pole over there. Also, on the dance floor, the way that Helen and I shoot the dance floor is always by holding a pole in our left hand, which allows us to get the light further away from the camera, which creates directional light, as you can see in these examples. But again, it requires a pole. So what we'll do is we will light the first dance with either 3 or 4 flashes around the dance floor. But then, as everyone comes onto the dance floor, people start putting their arms in the air. Sorry for the dancing, everyone, that is not a good look. But those arms in the air create shadows on the people that we're photographing on the dance floor. So we get round that by having a light much closer on a pole. But again, to do that, we often then have to go to our bag, get another flash out, get another piece of equipment, the pole, and then carry on. No more, everyone, because MagMod have come up with this ingenious solution. Let me just put this down. This little catch here, oh, that comes up. We have a monopole, and it's really nice to hold. Got a really nice little grip here, and it just feels brilliant. So we can now put our speed light here and shoot the dance floor like this. Here's lots of examples of me doing that with the MagStand. And again, it's really important to note that it's not just the dance floor where we use this pole, it's also for the portraits. Here's a load of examples of me doing that with Helen in the past.
Yes!
So you can now see why the MagStand, and in particular this feature, reason number 5, is just amazing for us, because it literally takes away a whole piece of equipment from our bag. So there we have it. Now there are more features of the MagStand which are brilliant, but I just thought the top 7 or 8 features didn't really sound as catchy for a YouTube title. But for example, this will fit into a standard suitcase. All we need to do is take out the pole, put them side by side, probably take off the shoe as well. Let's just do that for the sake of completeness. And it becomes tiny, so that would fit in a suitcase. It's great for travel. I mentioned at the beginning of the video as well that there are 2 sizes of the MagMod MagStand. This again is the MagStand 9 Pro. Still being a little bit cautious when I say that, because I'm not entirely sure if that's correct. So that is the 9. Over here is also filming you on a MagStand. This one is the MagStand Pro 11 / if I need to re-edit this one is the MagStand 11 Pro. So bigger, still has all the same features, by the way. Obviously the pole comes out as you'd expect. Obviously you can also change the height of the pole in the same way as we did with the other one.
Oh, keep it going. I need full pole deployment.
Well, I suppose it shows, we can't show the height, but that's long. That's what she said.
That is.
Right, let's stop there before I say anything else. On the screen now is the height of this. I'm guessing it's 11 feet. That would make sense. Ooh.
Although men and measuring can be a little inaccurate at times.
I'll show you as well. This has a very big footprint as well. There we go. Needless to say, I've tested these light stands out, I say, for months now. Used them at a lot of weddings, a lot of shoots, used them in the rain, and I've not had one single issue with them. They are really sturdy, they're rock solid, and I'm just very, very impressed. So there we go. I'd like to say a massive thank you to MagMod for everything, for involving me in the whole process of the MagStand. It was such an honor, and I'm very, very grateful. And I can honestly tell you, these are amazing. As I said earlier in the video, it's the easiest thing in the world to promote a product like this because they're just really good. If I were to sit down and think of what features would I want to be in the perfect light stand certainly for a wedding photographer, it has every single one of them. I had said to MagMod I'd want to attach together, I want to pick it up so that the legs don't keep straight out. I want it to be sturdy, I want it to be strong. I didn't even think of this feature, which is just incredible. So they've done it all. As I say, it's easy to make a video like this. And of course, the fact that they stitch together, boom, it's just amazing. Also very, very pleased that this is finally out there because I've got so much behind the scenes content that I've not been able to show because it features the MagStand. So follow me on Instagram and YouTube for a lot more behind the scenes coming up. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, I'm going to just do this. If you've got any questions at all, please let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Boom. That was good.
It was very good.
The MagMod MagStand.
It wasn't a great one, that one either.
No. MagMod have done it. And the more times you do this, the harder it gets. And in this video, I'll be explaining to you the top. Firstly, I'd like to say how honoured I am to have been asked by MagMod to test out. So I've been using them for a long time. That was wrong.
It was off script, but it was good.
So just remind me what is on script. So if you're playing light stand top trumps, don't even well play. Reason number, I don't think I need to do a new one of that one. If you're a wedding photographer like me, before I tell you what it is, ooh, no, sorry, one more. Now, before.
The MagStand looks sexy.
Yeah. The MagStand secret superpower.
Shut up.
Yes, please, yeah.